You meant to do that.
Yeah, I meant to do that. Alright fellas, we're back again with another POV in the Blackwing. I'm back in Mexico, I guess, and so we're together again.
Hometown Mexico.
Yeah, hometown Mexico. We're gonna be driving up on the windies a little bit, potentially sliding around a little bit too, but if there's too many people, then I'm not gonna do that.
And we're off.
There's one thing I want to try actually.
What?
I'm gonna put the suspension in the middle setting, see if we can tell the difference. That was pretty good. I kind of want to try transitioning, but like I don't want to test that out here.
Especially in this car?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, that was a pretty good first run.
I agree.
I'm not gonna do it.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
You're good.
I almost had that.
Yeah, that was good.
I know. Oh. Yeah, understeer is coming in. Front left tire is not feeling it right now. I guess that's what I get for relying on Facebook Marketplace every single time. I need to get some gas soon too, holy crap. The rear tires are sliding really easily now.
to do that.
Yeah, I meant to do that. That was a little bit too much sauce. Yeah, I'm gonna turn around though. Dang, the car's like tripping out now because it doesn't know what to do.
Put that into the video. Checking out the tires. Oh, it's these guys.
It is.
It's an
yeah,
M4.
there's hella cool cars here.
Yo, there's hella bogs. I got him fired.
This is ZL1.
Oh,
Damn.
that's hot. That's a Gixxer?